Hello everyone, welcome to Coffee with CXO. Today we have Jyoti Bisoi, a .NET Fullstack Developer with us to share her experience and the way she has grown as a .NET Developer in Agile. Hi Jyoti,
Hi, sir.
how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm very good.
Can you please tell me your background, where you have come from, how did you know Agile, how you joined Agile? Just brief your journey with how you started, how you ended up joining Agile.
So I'm Jyoti Bisoi. I'm from Odisha. Currently working as a software developer in ASA Consulting Services. First of all, I completed my graduation in BCA.
Mhm.
So after that, I started working on some non-IT company.
Mhm.
So few of my friends suggested that I have a better career in the software. So I chose for software.
Super.
So thereover I took a course for the .NET technology.
Okay. So
So-
before joining Agile, you have taken some course.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Very good.
So I took that course to learn this because I don't have the knowledge on the technologies. Even though I have completed my graduation in BCA, so there I learned only theoretical.
Because you
things.
only got a graduation certificate. It's
Yeah.
only theory.
Yes.
Okay.
So after that, after finishing my course, I got to know about the Agile Consulting Services there.
Mhm.
So in that, I gave some few rounds of interviews.
Mhm.
So after that, I joined the Agile.
Very good. I'm very happy that you have chosen Agile. So in Agile, have you learned anything in .NET, or because you have already completed your course outside, was it enough, or have you learned something here? After joining Agile, did Agile train you something on .NET?
Yes.
Okay.
So whatever I learned there, that is completely theoretical. They did some project, but that is not enough to survive in the industry.
Super. So whatever you have done, even outside of your BCA, you have done a .NET course, but that course has not given you the enough exposure, enough experience, enough skills. Even though they have given you a project, it is not enough for you to get into IT industry.
Yes.
So you joined the coding tutor.
Yes.
Okay. So your coding tutors, whoever trained you in Agile, coding tutors, were they experienced enough?
Yeah, they are the industry experts.
Mhm.
Actually, they have given us the real-time scenarios and how to do the code and where we can debug and where we can develop our coding in a better way.
Right.
So they give all the inputs to survive and to do the projects in a better way.
In a better way. So Jyoti, so when you were learning, was it easy? Is there any shortcut for you to learn the hands-on experience in coding tutor?
No, there is no shortcut, and you need to give the efforts and hard work. Then only we can learn.
Right. So when you were learning, what was the most painful thing for you when you were learning here in Agile coding tutor? Because you have to come every day to office. There is no work from home, right? You have to come and work morning 9:30 to evening 6:30, 7:30, and you are from Puri, Odisha. You have come to Hyderabad and you are working. At the time you were joined here, so it's all new. Hyderabad is new for you. So what was the most difficult thing for you at the time?
I won't say difficult, but as we need to get something, we need to put our some efforts. So that's how we learn the things.
Okay.
So it's not kind of difficult, but we put our few hard works and our extra time
Okay.
and efforts. That's how we learn the things. Then
Okay.
only we are able to do the work.
Right. Well said, Jyoti. Now tell me, while you were learning, did you get enough tasks, assignments, and POCs to do and gain hands-on experience from the coding tutor in Agile?
Yes.
Okay.
So those kind of things only help to survive in the client projects.
Okay. So if I am right, you are already worked on client locations multiple times. You went to the customer, you came back, and now you are again going to a customer now. So how is this experience going? So your employer is Agile always.
Yes.
Agile Consulting Services is your employer. Coding tutor is where you have learned everything. Now Agile Consulting Services have given you a job as a .NET developer, and you are going to customers. And in between, you are coming onto bench, and again going to the new customer, new project. How is this things feeling? Give you feeling. What kind of feeling you get with this kind of thing?
First thing, to be honest, if you are deploying into project and again coming back, there is no fear like Agile is kicking out us. That's the first thing.
Right.
So second thing, we get to explore different places. That is the another thing. And
Chennai, Bangalore, Pune, Madurai.
Yes. So
Madura Meenakshi Amma ko dekha?
yes. Sir.
Have you visited her?
Yeah. So
How many times?
I think during that period I visited 6 or 7 times.
6 or 7 times मधुरा मीनाक्षी माँ को आपको देखने के लिए अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला.
Yes.
What a great thing.
So exploring the different places, different people, and working on different technologies, tech stack we need to explore. So that's the best thing during this. If the client is different, the project will be different. So the tech stacks also will be different. So we got to know the different parts of the projects.
Super.
So we have a very good experience with that.
So tell me one thing. When you are on bench, so one project to the other project, between you will be on bench, right?
Yes.
So is Aja paying you salary as per the contract, or is Aja not paying you salary?
Yes, we got the salary.
You got the salary. In bench also.
Yeah.
In bench, do you have any pressure that these people will kick you out or throw you out or fire?
No, not that kind.
Okay, very good, happy. And Jyoti, basically, get some experience. When we get some confidence, when we get some hands-on experience, right? We will have a different opinion on ourselves. So what is your view on yourself? How do you see yourself now? So there is a Jyoti before joining Aja Coding Tutor and Aja Consulting Services, and there is a Jyoti today. So how do you see the difference?
The major difference I can see, I got a more confidence on myself.
Mhm.
Like the day was there, I could not able to write a single code, and nowadays I'm writing the number of codes by
Super.
myself.
Super.
So that's the best thing.
That is what Aja is committing to everyone. Coding tutor, if you join, you will be able to write piece of code. You will be able to write the code. You will be gaining hands-on experience and skills, and you are living up to that. I'm very happy for you, Jyoti. Now, Jyoti, tell me that if you resign Aja, I'm not asking you to resign. I want you to work for a lot of years, as many years as possible. But if at all you resign Aja, you go and search outside, will you get a job on your own?
Yes, sir.
Do you have confidence that you can get a job outside as a
Yes.
.NET Fullstack Developer?
Yes.
What would be the salary that you can get if you go outside now?
10 to 15.
10 to 15 lakhs?
Yes.
मुझे कितना दोगी? हाँ? मुझे दोगी कुछ?
As a full stack, maybe that is the bare minimum. 10 to 15 we will get easily. I guess.
Wonderful. So if I come to Puri, will you help me get the darshan?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Thank you. So people now, a lot of people wanted to come into IT industry, Jyoti. So many graduates every year. So many people are getting, coming out of their colleges and they want to become something, right?
Mhm.
So they don't have the clue how to get into IT industry. So in your opinion, you already got into IT industry. Now you are a full stack developer. You are working. You have a lot of experience now as a .NET full stack developer. Now with this experience, can you tell the people who wanted to come into IT industry what actually they should do? How they have to come to, how they can get into IT industry?
As I can say, as is the best opportunity because people we are not getting the as a fresher they are not getting the opportunities because everywhere wherever we'll go we'll get for 3 years 5 years experience they need, but no one giving the opportunity for the freshers.
Mhm.
So as Aja is hiring for the only freshers, like freshers experience both they are hiring, but most of the time we are focusing on the fresher.
Freshers.
So we are giving the all the things like coding tutors, the industry experts, and everything. So that helps them to learn the things practical way and real time experience they will get.
Okay.
So that's the best thing.
So anywhere you should get a real time experience and join as a fresher and grow.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes.
thank you so much. That's a real requirement for people to understand that they need some internship. People have to do some internship.
Yes.
People have to join in a place where they can gain real time experience to get into IT industry.
Yes.
Right? And you are a girl, you are a woman, right? Being a woman, now one time you are working in one city, the other time you are going to different city, right? You have to relocate. Your base location is Hyderabad in Aja, but you go to different cities. So is it not a problem as a woman to you?
No, as I is taking care of all those things like even though from transport and accommodation, everything they are taking care of.
Okay, very good. And your parents also support you for this location to location moving and going and working?
To be honest, they are not, but as I'm giving that
Comfort.
belief and comfort, they are believing now. Like yes,
Yes.
if she go somewhere, she can manage.
She can
now.
manage. Madurai भी जा सकती है, चेन्नई भी जा सकती है. She can go anywhere and she can live on her own, on her feet. She can stand.
Yes.
That gives lot of confidence because मैं भी एक लड़की का बाप हूँ मैं. I'm a father of a girl. So a girl's father is always tensed, insecure. but also we will become very strong, we will become very confident, we feel very secure when your daughter goes out and lives on her own and manages everything on her own. Because my daughter, she lives in US, she lives all alone there in UCSC, right? So I also feel proud, and I hope that your parents also will be feeling proud about you, right? So Jyoti, I'm very happy that you made your career, you built your career in a coding tutor, and now you are one of the successful .NET developer, or you got an entry into IT industry through Aja Coding Tutor, which I'm very very happy, and I wish you very all the best for your career and your future success. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. See, this is what Jyoti's story is. Jyoti started here as a BCA graduate. She landed up in Hyderabad. Even though she has completed so many courses, right? She could not gain the experience and expertise that is required by the industry, or to get into IT industry. What are the skills that she is required? She didn't get through. So all that she has done is taken a bold decision to join Coding Tutor, gain experience and expertise under the guidance of the industry experts, which are called as coding tutors here in Aja, and made her career, built her career as a .NET full stack developer. And now you have seen, you have listened from her that if she goes out of Aja, she can get a 10 to 15 lakhs of CTC outside of Aja. So that is the confidence that Aja is building, Coding Tutor is giving to every resource who is joining here. So we will meet again with one more resource, one more successful resource very soon. Until then, thank you so much.